All right, welcome everyone. My name is James Laverack. I will be your host today. This is a Kubernetes 124 release team meeting. This is week 15, Tuesday, the 19th of April, 2022. This meeting, as with all of our meetings, is covered by the Kubernetes Code of Conduct. So please do take a look at that document for all of our interactions here with us today. If you are an attendee, please note yourself down on the attendees list. Other than that, we will start with open discussion. I don't think we have any particular items there, although I do have one thing to mention, which is, I believe since last week, the shadow application for the 125 release, the next release, has gone out. So if you are not a lead on the next release, then you should submit a shadow application if you wish to shadow again, basically. If you have any questions, reach out to Ray, who is the EA for 125, or to really anyone else in the community, especially in SIG release, if you have any questions. But yeah, unless anyone has any questions now, we will move on to enhancements. No? All right. Enhancements. Priyanka, is it?
Hey James, hello everyone.
Hey.
So our status is green. We have no more updates other from the last week. Yeah, that's the update. Thank you.
Perfect. Good to see. Anyone got any questions for enhancements? No. All right. CI Signal, Navita.
So yeah, hello everyone. We have zero feeling on the master blocking and no release blocker issue as of the current moment. So that's why our current status is green and we are good to go for the today's release cut. Beside that, we have 3 flakes on the master blocking, 1 failing on the master informing, which we have already reported, and 5 flakes on the master informing. So yeah, that's it.
Looks good. Looks like we're in good shape. Thank you very much. Any questions for CI Signal? No. All right. Looking good. Bug triage, Dipto.
Yeah, hi. So we have no blockers right now, blocking issues that we are yellow because there is this one signal critical important issue and just one more 1.24 release note. So that is why we have kept it as yellow.
Sorry, I can't hear you very well. I think you might be having audio issues.
Hello.
Hello, I can hear you, but it's quite faint.
Hello.
Oh, that's much better. Hello.
Yeah, so our current status is yellow. We have no blocking issues or PRs. Just 2 issues are there. One is the 1.24 release notes issue, and the other is the SIG node critical important issue. So the SIG node issue, there is no PR which will close it. There are a couple of PRs in it, but it still seems in state of discussion and investigation. So that's why we have kept it as yellow.
Oh, this one, the networking information null one. Okay, because
Yeah.
this is a conformance test issue. Okay. All right. Okay, I guess we'll keep an eye on that as we continue with the rest of the release. But I think things are looking okay in general, which is good. All right. Thank you very much for that. Does anyone have any questions for bug triage? No. All right. Thank you so much. Docs. Do we have anyone for docs here? Okay. The last update in threads in Slack back on Thursday, I think was positive. I know that they have a Docker-Shim meeting this afternoon that I'll be along to, so hopefully they'll have a little bit more detail there, but I think things are okay over in DocSland. Moving on, release notes, Peru.
Hello everyone. So we do not have any more updates from the past week. The website PR for Beta 0 has been merged, but the draft PR is not yet up, maybe because of the CREL issue, and we are working towards solving the CREL issue.
Okay. Do you need any help with the CREL issue to try to solve that? Like, do you have people in the community helping from Relange?
I don't think we would require help as of now. We just need to discuss around a few steps. Like different members of the team are facing different sorts of issues, so we need to collaborate on that and jot down all the issues in a certain document or stuff and discuss over it.
Okay. If you need any help, let me know. I've worked on CREL before, so I can jump in and give assistance as have others if needed.
Sure, we'll do that. In case we require any help, we may ping you in the release channel itself.
Yeah, sure. That's completely fine. Cool. Okay. Any questions for release notes? No. All right. Thank you. Comms. Do we have anyone from comms here? No, I don't believe so. Okay, moving on to Navaroon, release branch management. What are we looking at?
Hey everyone, so we are green right now. I checked that there are no release blocking issues. Also, as we saw in the bug triage updates, we don't have anything else. I'll still wait for a formal go no go call signal from the CI signal team, just in case if something goes wrong before 6, like in 1 hour and 20 minutes. Otherwise, I'm also keeping a check on the blocking and informing dashboard so to see if anything fails and I can help anywhere. Other than that, we are on the correct path. We should probably have a RC0, let's say in 6 to 7 hours, depending on how the infra behaves.
That is
also, we will have our first signed images for 1.24 pre-releases.
Hey, image anything, great.
Yeah,
that is really good to hear. Okay,
and that's all on my end.
That's all. Anyone have any questions for the Lynch branch management? No. All right. I have no particular updates from Joseph. So going on to me, just expecting RC0 today. So I'm really glad that's going well. We were talking about the logo and theme that has been decided. I think the logo is finished. I just need to get the vectors together and a couple of other bits. I'm probably going to share it with the team leads and release and lead shadows first, and then kind of go from there. And I imagine that like comms and release notes, we need to see it before others. In general, I'm probably not going to do a public announcement or anything until the actual release day, because that seems to be what we've done in the past. But yeah, that's all fine, I think. What else? We still need to decide what we're doing with the what do you call it? Release retro, because we have retro part 2 and part 3 maybe, and there's some discussion about there. There was some discussion about doing part 3 as part of a SIG release meeting. I think we did that in a previous cycle and I didn't like it very much, so I might have to talk about that. But yeah, we can discuss that in Slack. Yeah, other than that, we are expecting to be on Slack updates for the rest of this week until next Tuesday. Yeah. Any questions for me or anything else from anyone? Oh, no update from SIG Scalability. No. All right, then I will end the recorded part of this meeting. Thank you, everyone.